Hi, and welcome to another video of Ryobi. So today we're going to do a quick review of the 4-volt lithium Ryobi screwdriver. The screwdriver here is actually rated for 40 inch-pound of torque. We're gonna put it to the test. This one in particular goes up to 200 RPM, and it comes with that 82 piece accessory kit. So looks like we have an extension there and then lots of assorted bit in there. None of those bit are rated for torque, so I don't know if I would use them with the impact driver or not, but they will work with this screwdriver no problem. The screwdriver by itself is the HP34LVN. Now, if you're wondering about the charger, how fast it's charging, it's a 3-watt charger. So this kit in particular, which is the PLV01KMX, it comes with those 82 bit, and then they give you like those 2 extra one, but there's no place to put it in the kit. So I personally find that the kit is a little bit big when it's folded. Like there's all that room in here that you're losing quite a bit of room, probably like almost half to 3/4 of an inch right here, where you don't really need that. So when the box is closed, it makes actually a pretty big kit to carry with you, which looks like, you know, the same on this side here. They could have made this box like almost half to 3/4 that size, and it would have been good. But anyway, it's nice to have another little kit to bring around and stuff and put in the toolbox. So the screwdriver comes already with the button was in the center here, or it doesn't do nothing, but it comes with the battery already having some charge in there. This would just be shipping charge, so usually a lithium battery, they will charge it to the minimum that the battery can handle. So I would suggest to charge that before you use it. Looks like this charger just plugs right at the bottom here to charge it. So I'll charge it up and then we'll do a couple tests. So when you plug the charger, so I have a light here showing that this gets power, and then on your screwdriver itself you have a red light saying that it's getting charged, and it needs charge because this light would turn off when your screwdriver is fully charged. So we'll come back to it when it's fully charged. So now that the light is off here, that means that the screwdriver is fully charged, and the light actually turned off on the charger too. So let's go test it. The one thing that you must know about the screwdriver here is you cannot feather the trigger. It's either on or off. So you cannot control the speed that you're screwing or unscrewing a screw with this thing. So let's see if the screwdriver is strong enough to make a screw like this go in a 2x4. Okay, so let's put this forward. Screws in there. There's no hole in that 2x4 where we're gonna start it. There's no different speed on this, it's just one speed. So yeah, no problem. Screw went right in. It's flush. Let's bring it back out. Works perfect. Let's do one more. Let her new hole. Nice and flush. Let's pick it up. Perfect. What do you guys think? I think it's a nice little handy screwdriver to have. I like it. Well, now it's time to go and tell my 12-year-old son thank you for that nice Christmas present. I already said thanks at Christmas, though. But I can tell him that it's working and I like it. Woohoo!